Got beats, loops, or even simple sound effects just sitting on your hard drive? You could be earning $100 a day or more selling audio on autopilot. You heard that right. Forget the days of needing a record deal or going viral on TikTok to make money from music. This is legit internet income, where creativity meets cash flow. And the best part? It's totally passive. Once you upload your tracks, they can keep earning for you 24/7, even while you sleep. If you're serious about building income online, hit that like button, share with your creative crew, and subscribe now. We're about to break down how to turn your audio into a money-making machine, even if you're not famous. Think about it. Every single YouTube video, Instagram story, ad you see, podcast you listen to, even mobile games, they all need sound. Creators are constantly searching for music and effects they can legally use, and they're happy to pay for it. That's where you come in. This isn't just about big-time composers either. You can create short loops, jingles, background music, even weird sound effects. There's a massive demand for this stuff. And the beauty is, once you create it, you can sell it over and over again. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I'm no Mozart, and guess what? That's totally fine. You don't need to be a Grammy-winning producer to make bank in the stock audio game. If you can create catchy beats, relaxing loops, ambient sounds, or even Foley effects, you can start earning today. Got a decent microphone? Even better. You can record nature sounds, city ambiances, anything unique. We'll get into the specifics in a bit, but the key takeaway here is, if you have a computer and a bit of creativity, you're already halfway there. The stock audio world is vast. You could create everything from corporate jingles to death metal soundtracks. But to really crush it, you want to pick a niche. Think about it. What kind of sounds do you enjoy creating? What are you good at? Maybe it's lo-fi beats, podcast intros and outros, soundscapes for meditation apps, 8-bit gaming music, or even just fun sound effects like button clicks and whooshes. Niching down does two things. It helps you stand out from the crowd, and it allows you to become an expert in that specific style. Remember, niche equals money. Chapter 4. Step 2. Create clean royalty-free tracks or SFX. Now it's time to put on your producer hat. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy studio. There are tons of free or affordable audio editing tools out there like Audacity, GarageBand if you're on a Mac, or even something more robust like FL Studio. The key here is to create original, high-quality audio. That means no copyright infringement. Keep your tracks relatively short. Think 30 seconds to a minute for loops, and make sure they're properly mastered so the volume is consistent. Chapter 5. Step 3. Export, tag, and format. Once you've got some killer tracks, it's time to get them ready for the market. Export your audio as high-quality MP3 or WAV files. WAV files are larger but offer the best quality, while MP3s are smaller and more web-friendly. It's a good idea to offer both. Now for the secret sauce tagging. Give your files detailed names that describe the sound, like upbeat corporate background music or cinematic whoosh sound effect. Also, include things like BPM, beats per minute, mood, happy, sad, intense, and relevant keywords. This makes it super easy for buyers to find your work. Chapter 6. Step 4. Upload to top platforms. Time to get your music out there. There are tons of platforms where you can sell your audio. Some of the most popular include Audio Jungle, Pond5, and Motion Array. These sites have massive audiences and make it easy to upload and start selling. If you're feeling ambitious and your music is high quality, you can even apply to be an exclusive contributor on platforms like Epidemic Sound. They pay higher royalties but are more selective. Pro tip: don't be afraid to get creative with your selling. You can create bundles of sounds, offer custom music production services, or even sell directly through your own website using platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Chapter 7. Step 5. Market yourself with micro-content. Uploading your tracks is just the first step. To really boost your sales, you need to market yourself. But don't worry, this doesn't mean hiring a publicist. The best way to market stock audio is with, you guessed it, more content. Create short, engaging videos showcasing your music. Imagine your beats playing behind cool visuals, vlogs, or even animated explainer videos. Post these on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere creators hang out. Even better, collaborate with YouTubers or video editors who need royalty-free music. Offer them free tracks in exchange for credit. It's a win-win. Chapter 8. Earning potential. Now for the fun part, how much can you actually make? A single track can sell for anywhere from $10 to $50 or more, depending on the platform, license type, and the quality of your work. Let's do some quick math. Say you sell just 3 tracks per day at an average of $20 each. That's $60 per day. Bump those numbers up to 7 tracks per day, And you're looking at $140. And the best part? This is passive income. Those tracks can keep selling for months, even years to come. It's like having your own little money-making melody machine working 24/7. Chapter 9, Wrap Up and CTA. So there you have it. If you've got sound design skills, or even just a creative ear and a passion for music, stock music and sound effects could be your silent income engine. You don't need a record deal, just good vibes and smart uploads. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of audio or music you'd sell. Lo-fi? Ambient? Funny sound effects? I'll drop suggestions and keywords to help get you started. If this gave you an idea, hit like, share with a creative friend, and subscribe to Legit Internet Income, where passive income plays are always in tune. Thanks for tuning in to Legit Internet Income, where we turn your side hustle dreams into reality. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and with a little creativity and hustle, you can create multiple streams of income online. See you in the next video.